everyone, today I have a new photo shoot behind the scenes video for you, and today we're doing something really exciting. We are going to be comparing the Sigma 85mm 1.4 art lens to the Canon 85mm f1.2 Mark II lens. I'm using a Canon 5D Mark IV to shoot on both these lenses, so we've got the same body to keep things fair and even. And I just wanted to mention our amazing team for today's photo shoot. Amber is our model who's from Priscilla's, Brea is doing makeup, and Dan is behind the video camera filming today's video. But we're gonna start shooting now, and I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Alright, I might start, I'll crop like here, get like some mid-length. I have to get like way back. But yeah, feel free to move around like as much as you want, like nice natural movements. And yeah, that's perfect. I love it. Your movement's so good. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love that one. Can I get you to sit down?
Yeah.
I think maybe on this one. Let me get some like really close-up shots here because the lighting's really beautiful. And you can rest your head on your hands as well. I think that'd be cool. Yeah, really cool. Or like a little bit wider as well. And did you want to try one if you lean back on the wall as well? Actually, yeah, that looks really cool. It's looking so good. I think we'll do another standing one, maybe in here somewhere. Oh, if you lean your shoulder against here, facing this way. Yeah. I like that. I really want to use these banana leaves as well. Maybe I'll do like a close-up of your face as well. Sorry, I'm just gonna move around, see where the lighting looks. It's like slightly on an angle there. Yeah. So yeah, these are like super cropped in. That's really pretty. And can you bring that shoulder in again as well? Yeah. Awesome. Alright, let me just grab a different lens. And I'll get some mid-length shots as well. That's beautiful. Did you want to do one maybe if you kind of like rest your hands on your head? And did you want to try one if you kind of just like swing your arms around a little bit? Maybe even if you stand, like maybe just here. That looks really cool actually. Actually, maybe since we're on a driveway, maybe we can sit down to get some different kind of shot. I love these are so good. Well, let me get closer on that. Oh, it's really pretty. And like stretch your legs. And then if you kind of rest your hands on your lap, yeah. Even if you use your right hand to kind of stretch, left hand, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, perfect. Can I get you to sit on the fence bit here as well, please? Yeah, that's super pretty. Awesome. Oh, these look so like lush. Yeah, and even just like resting your hand on the thing looks really good. Yeah, that's beautiful. And did you want to try maybe if you cross your legs out as well? Yeah. Nice. That's such a good spot. You stand out like so much from the background here. Oh, that's pretty. The skin is so pretty. It's nice and soft. Silk. Yep. Amazing. I might get you sitting down here just so we get like a little bit of the flowers. It's not like too much. If you like have your arms kind of out like on your knees. Can you bring maybe like one of your knees up so you can kind of, yeah. You stand just here in that little section. Ooh, that's so pretty there. Perfect. Did you want to try, maybe you could lean against the wall somehow as well? Alright, can I get you, can you have like your head like in? These are so pretty up close. Really nice. Oh my gosh! It looks like a fairy tale. It does. Perfect. Awesome. And can we do a couple, maybe with your hands can kind of do random stuff. I'm gonna shoot like on an up angle. Just, I can't pass up a bunch of flowers like this. It needs like at least one shot.
Yeah, of course. Oh, cool.
Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's photo shoot. I had so much fun shooting on both these lenses. You guys would have seen all the final photos already, but I still have to go home and edit all of these images. So for this video, I really just wanted it to be a fun behind the scenes for some inspiration and for you guys to see what the final images look like, to see if you can see a difference or if you prefer one lens over the other. Please let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. But I will have a full review video on all my thoughts on the Sigma 85 1.4 art coming really soon, so please keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!